When it comes to mold remediation in Gulfport, Mississippi, acting quickly can make all the difference. Along the Gulf Coast, humidity creates the perfect conditions for mold growth, which is why homeowners rely on Big Easy Environmental Services, a company known for consistent 5-star reviews and trusted results. Tara Kurtich shared her 5-star experience after moving into a new home. She said,
"My son and I had just moved into a new place, and he started having respiratory issues. I called Big Easy to do an air quality test, and sure enough, there was black mold. They came out a few days later and removed all the mold. Excellent service. Very professional, and I highly recommend them. We haven't had any problems since."
After identifying the issue through air quality testing, the team acted quickly and professionally to remove the mold, giving Tara and her son lasting peace of mind. Joya also left a 5-star review highlighting the company's responsiveness and expertise. She shared,
"Todd is fantastic. I highly recommend Big Easy Environmental Services. He's very knowledgeable, friendly, and helpful. Reached out for a mold lab test in the HVAC of an apartment I had been renting. Called on Thursday evening. Todd came to do a test Friday morning. His prices are very reasonable and the lab results came back quickly in 3 days. Now I know that I had been living in an apartment loaded with toxic stachybotrys and other molds. Yikes. Thank you, Todd."
From fast scheduling to clear lab results and thorough remediation, Big Easy Environmental Services delivers the kind of service Gulfport residents can trust. If you suspect mold in your home or apartment in Gulfport, Mississippi, don't wait. Big Easy Environmental Services is locally trusted, highly rated with 5-star reviews, and committed to protecting your indoor air quality. Schedule your Gulfport mold remediation service today.